Today we'll discuss Java technical interview question. So the first is core Java concept. What all are the core Java concept related interviewer they will ask the questions. The first is what is the difference between JDK and JRE? Why we are using JDK and why we are using JRE? And what is this difference, main difference in JDK and JRE? The next question is what is Java platform independent language? What is Java platform independent language? And the next question is what is the difference between an abstract class and an interface? So what is the difference between abstract class and interface? Next question is what is the difference between final, finally and finalize? When to use these all? The next question is what is the difference between stack and heap memory? When to use stack memory, when to use heap memories and all? And the next question is what is the difference between method overloading and method overriding? Why we are using method overloading and when to use method overridings and all. The next question is what is the difference between abstract class and interface, which already we seen. And the next question is what is the difference between private and protected modifier? When to use private and when to use protected modifier. The next question is what is constructor overloading? The next question is what is the use of super keyword in Java? When to use super keyword in Java? And the next question is what is the difference between a static method, static variable and a static class in Java? The next question is what exactly in system.out.println in Java? And the next question is what part of memory, stack or heap is cleaned in the garbage collection process? So these all are related for Java, core Java real-time interview questions. Now we will go for this object-oriented programming interview questions. So what all are the object-oriented programming interview questions interviewer will ask? The first question is what is object-oriented features supported by Java? And the next question is what all are the different access specifier used in Java? And the next question is what is difference between composition and inheritance? The next question is what is the purpose of abstract class? When to use abstract class? Why we are using abstract class and all? The next question is what is difference between constructor and method of class in Java? The next question is what is diamond problem in Java and how it is solved? The next question is what is difference between local and instance variable in Java? The next question is what is markup interface in Java? So these all are related object-oriented programming. Now coming for the data structures algorithm. So these all are the questions. The first question is what is string immutable in Java? How we can create a custom immutable in Java? What is the difference between creating a string using new keyword or a literal? What is collection framework? What all are the collection framework? And the next question is what is difference between array list and linked list? What is the difference between hash map, tree map? And the next question is what is difference between hash set, tree set? What is the difference between iterator and list iterator? And the next question is what is the difference between comparable interface? What is the purpose of comparable interface? The next question is what is the difference between hash set and tree set? And the next question is what is the purpose of java.util.concurrent package? When to use java.util.concurrent package and all. And the next, now we will go for the exception handling. So we will cover all the exception handling basic interview questions. So the first question is what is an exception? The next question is how does an exception propagation throughout the Java code? How does exception propagation throughout the Java code? The next question is what is the difference between checked exception and checked exception? The next question is what is the use of try catch block? When to use try with catch block? The next question is what is the difference between throw and throws? The next question is what is the use of finally block? The next question is what is the base class of all the exception class? The next question is what is Java Enterprise Edition Java EE? And the next question is what is the difference between servlet and JSP? And the next question is what is the purpose of Java Persistence API JPA, that is called JPA, Java Persistence API, when to use JPA. The next question is what is difference between a stateful and a stateless session in beans. So these all are the. Now we will discuss multi-threading related interview questions. So the first question is what is thread and what all are the different stages of life cycle in the thread. The next question is what is difference between process and thread. The next question is what is different type of thread priority available in Java. The next question is what is context switching in Java. Now the next question is what is difference between user thread and daemon thread. When to use user thread, when to use daemon thread. Now the next question is what is synchronizations. The next question is what is deadlock. And the next question is what is the use of wait and notify method. When to use wait and when to use notify. The next question is what is the difference between thread and process in Java. The next question is what is the difference between synchronized and volatile in Java. The next question is what is the purpose of sleep method in Java. The next question is what is the difference between wait and sleep in Java. Wait and sleep in Java. So these all are the real-time interview question which is commonly interviewer will ask. So related for exception, related for object oriented, related for data etc, related for collection framework, related for core Java concept, related for multi-threading. So these all are the common interview questions. Yeah, thank you.